Hi Thinksters, in this video I want to talk to you about parameterless lambdas. In the first video we saw that the syntax of a lambda is like this. We have the keyword lambda, then the parameters and an expression which can contain several statements. More about that later. And here is an example of a parameterless lambda. So we have the keyword and then we can have 0 parameters here and just return true, for example, or whatever. And yes, that's possible in Python. I don't know what you would want to use it for, but it's possible. And if we run this snippet, you see f is a function now, and this function object is stored at this memory location, and here we called it. You see the difference. We have the parenthesis here and here we don't. So here that's the call of this lambda and it returns true. So it's perfectly possible to have parameterless lambdas. Maybe if you know where to use it and why to use such a thing, write it in the comment. I would like to hear about it. I would really like to know how to use that. That for sure is not useful because you can just write true. But maybe if you have a more complex lambda, but still it would always return a static value, I think. Maybe if you use a call to the random module and generate some random values. But tell me in the comments if you know anything, and see you in the next video.